Hello! In this video, we're going to take a look at another one of the useful public commands. This public command is used for exporting or importing schedules from Revit to Excel. After opening the public command, you will see three options for exporting or importing schedules to Excel. The first option is Export with Schedule Format. With this option, your schedule is exported to Excel with the exact same format that you see in Revit. In this case, you cannot import the Excel file back into Revit. The next option is Export for Editing Data. This option is used when you need to export the schedule, edit it in Excel, and later import it back into Revit so the Revit data gets updated according to the Excel file. And the last option is used to import an Excel file back into Revit. Now, let's go and review an example together. For this example, let's export the schedule we are currently looking at. First, we will export it using the Revit schedule format so we can see the result. We select the schedule we want from the project schedule list, and then we enter a name for the Excel file. By doing this, the Excel file will be saved on the desktop with the name you provide. Now we click on the Run button. This generates the Excel file, and when we open it, we can see that it has been exported with the same schedule format as in Revit. Now let's try the second option. So we go back to Revit, select the Export for Editing Data option, and click Run again. This time, we can see that the exported Excel file also includes the element ID information for the elements. This is necessary so we can later import the edited data back into Revit. It's important to note that we must be careful not to edit the element ID column or any cells that are gray-colored. Let's make a small change to the Excel file to see the result. I will make a small modification in one of the columns, and then I save the Excel file.
Now we go back to Revit, and this time we select the Import option. In this step, we need to select the Excel file so that the data can be imported from that file and updated inside Revit. After selecting the Excel file, we click Run, and then we check the result. As we can see, the information has been successfully updated in Revit. Using this public command, you can easily export information from Revit and import it back into Revit again. Wish you success!